So, a lot of you guys have been wondering, hey, JD Game, what do you use whenever you play video games? Doink, right there, a TV. See, it's kind of cool. It's got a little setup going with my charger, controllers, and, whatnot. Then, of course, got my main controller right here, and a microphone. Of course, Caden's on it right now as we're making videos. Yeah, say hi, Caden. Yeah, no, I don't think you guys can hear that, but it's cool. I'm getting a new couch. Maybe we'll talk about that later. But you guys want to see what we have to deal with up here in Canada? Whoops, that's the ceiling, my bad. But I will show you. It's sometimes it's cool, other times it sucks. But I'll show you. Yep. Snowstorm. Look at that. That's terrible. When you take a step in the snow, 1 second, your whole foot sinks in. Like, look at this. Honestly, I could even do trust fall. Got a lot of snow going on here. But check this out, you ready? Hair explosion. The snow's cold. Okay, time to go back in and make video games. I don't like vlogging anymore. Whew, that's cold.